messy, right?
Okay.
Messy.
Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today we're going to be talking about kids' capsule wardrobes. I have 3 kids, ages 11, 7, and 5, boy, girl, boy, and so today I'm going to show you what I got them for their spring and summer wardrobes. And I just wanted to share with you some ideas that might help you when you're picking out clothes for your kids to get maximum wear. And my idea is to make things easy for them so they can just pick out 2 items and go. Everything kind of mixes and matches so that we're not dealing with like a plaid and polka dot mix. If you like that style and you're all about it, then that's great. We just like to keep it simple around here, or at least I do, and I feel like it just makes my life easier, so that's what we're doing today. Okay, so first we're going to start with my 5-year-old son. I went ahead and got everything online. Usually I go to thrift stores, but one in my area is no longer, and I have been to Goodwill in my area, and they barely had anything for kids there. So I went ahead and ordered everything online. I'll probably be looking around for future purchases. I do prefer to buy things secondhand, but this time around I really just kept it super simple and easy for spring, summer, and I'm glad I just got everything. Now I don't have to think about it. So whichever way you go about buying clothes, good for you. And let's get these kids clothes this year, right? Well, I just grabbed everything from Target online and had it shipped to my house. So for my 5-year-old, I got a small. So I got him a red top. I got him a black t-shirt as well, and a navy blue. And then I also got him just a couple of pairs of their shorts, also in the size small. Their shorts were $8. Their tops were $4. They're easy on, easy off drawstrings. I prefer to buy dark bottoms for my kids. I got my daughter like a couple that are lighter, but I prefer the darker ones because honestly they get dirty. They go out and play in the dirt, and so the darker ones are something I don't have to worry as much about dirt and that sort of thing. I also got him a top for going to the beach. My kids play out in the backyard a lot, but it seems like whenever we go to the beach, the sun, I guess it just reflects off the sand or something, and they just get burned like every time. Or even like fountains or something like that. So I like for them to wear like some sort of t-shirt on top if they're gonna be out in the sun for a long period of time. I just went to some fountains with them the other day, and my whole arm is burned. So even though I was wearing a t-shirt, like everything else was burned, and I was like, man, you know. So we tried to keep covered up when we're out for hours at a time. So anyway, my daughter is next. I got her a medium. She is 7, and I just got this little dress for her, and this little t-shirt dress. So it's fun and casual, but also cute and pretty. She also has one in purple that has a flower heart around the middle of it, and then we got this pink one as well. These tops were $9 for the dress. And then I got her some regular t-shirts. So these are $4 like the boys. We got this one. We got a pink one. We also have a green one here, and a purple one. So you can see a kind of color theme for her is more of the lighter springy colors. The boys are more of the darker colors. Also got her some of the biker shorts to go underneath her dresses. So these are the ones that I really prefer because in the dirt, like, you're not going to see that much of an issue. The pink one, it's not going to last. So I probably should not have gotten this. I should have just kept going with all the darker ones. And then I got this light gray one as well. This one is $5. So $5 for the biker shorts. And then I got her some skirts for church. She said she wanted some skirts for church. So we got these. The skirts were $14.99. So to me, that's pretty pricey, but it's a nice long skirt for church. So we just got 2 of those. Again, kind of a splurge, but yeah. So then she can mix and match those with like any of her t-shirts. I think it's pretty to tuck in a t-shirt with a skirt. I just think that's nice. And then I got her some swim shorts. These are $12.99. This is art class, and then it also comes with like a little liner inside, so she can just wear these and a top. And then I got a top for her. has this cute little thing right here. I actually wanted to get her the top that was pink on the top and then it faded to like white and then it faded to yellow at the bottom, but I had it sitting in my cart so long and it was sold out by the time I checked out. So it's one downside of letting things sit on your cart, to think about them. Sometimes they're not there when you're ready to purchase. Okay, so moving on to my 11, almost 12-year-old. I got him the size large. This one was $12.99, so this is one of the more expensive items for him. It's got a skull and crossbone on it if you're not into that. You know, you might, I think they had like, they didn't really have a whole lot of other options, honestly. I think they had one actually that looked like this for the older boys, but it was sold out at the time. So I went ahead and got that. And then $4 t-shirts, again for him, the navy blue color. And then we've got a black one right here. We're going fast because my daughter's handing me everything. I'm probably not even gonna have to edit this. And then we have a red one for him as well. Then we got him some shorts as well. We got some navy blue, some gray, actually a second pair of navy blue. I think I was gonna get black, but I don't remember if they weren't out of it, or if they were out of it, or if like it just gets like dog hair shows really easy, because we have a dog with white hair and a dog with black hair, but the dog with white hair will show up on black really easily. So I think we went with the navy blue for that reason. And then also the green. So then he can mix and match. And they also have like a few other items already in their wardrobe. My daughter has, you know, jean shorts and jeans. The boys also have like jean shorts and jeans, things like that. So I'm kind of a fan of, you know, just like the pull on shorts like this, and then like khaki jeans and black, just keeping that simple. And then the tops that can mix and match with anything. And the one thing that I wish I had gotten was a light sweater for my 5-year-old. I'm probably gonna have to pick one of those up. The other two kids have some light sweaters that they can wear if it gets slightly chilly, like, you know, on the off chance that it gets chilly one of these nights. But for the most part down here in Florida, it's warm. So they do have, you know, a few items for like church that are a little bit dressier, but I mean, we don't have like a whole lot there. We keep it very minimal and simple. But this just fills in the gaps for this year. So that's everything I have to share with you today. I'd love to know your thoughts on how you plan what to get your kids. We keep it very simple here, very casual, and that's just the lifestyle that we live. But I'd love to hear like what are some must-haves for your kids' wardrobes for spring and summer. And thank you so much for watching. I feel like this is going to be a quick video, but I just wanted to come on and say hi and let you know what I'm up to. I have got a few other videos I'm planning for the future, so subscribe if you haven't yet. It's free and it just adds my videos to your feed. And like the video if you don't mind, if you liked it. That really helps my channel. If you want to get a thumbs down, that's fine too. Every interaction is good. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I will talk to you later. Bye!